It's me again, Jenny Lynn, and today's video I will be showing you how to make this bikini bottom. But before that, kindly click subscribe and click the notification bell below and kindly leave a comment, and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. So these are the materials. I use Monaco mercerized cotton and a 4/0mm hook and a pair of scissors. So, to begin with, kailangan natin gumawa ng slip knot. So, ganito, slip knot. In every project, we are going to make a slip knot. And then, chain 18. Agoy.
So, after making 18 chains,
oh my goodness, umiiyak.
we have 2. Count. And then from the thumb, alright, so we have to make another 2 chains. 1, 2. So from the hook, we have to count 3 chains and then insert your hook and then make a half double crochet. Okay, so half double crochet and then continue making half double crochet. Alright, so until you reach the yarn tail. Okay, we are now done for our base. So to make another, for the second round, we have to make chain 1 and then make another half double crochet on the very first chain and then continue until you reach the end. Okay, I will be back with you when I will be done. So we have to make as big as this. This is for the base of our bikini bottom. Okay, so chain 1, this is for, and then half double crochet for the first pinakaunang chain or stitch, and then continue making half double crochet. So ayan, binabalik ko. O siya, ganito kalaki. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 rounds for this. Okay, for this round, for 15th round, we are going to increase. So to increase, chain 1, and then on the very first chain, we have to insert our hook and make a half double crochet. Alright, so on the same space, another 1 half double crochet. So this will be the increasing part. Okay, on deck. Alright, so on the next chain, we have to make 1 half double crochet. So sa on the very first chain lang tayo gagawa ng half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, and then until you reach. So in this part again, we have to make 2 half double crochet on the same space, because sa sinasabi ko kanina, we have to increase this. Alright, ayan. Okay, we are starting to increase. Chain 1 for the next round. On the very first chain, we have to make 2 half double crochet. I hope you got it. You got it from my mama. Okay, so just continue until on the very next space, only 1 half double crochet, and then at the end, the same on what we did from the previous. So chain 1 and then yo. Okay, so I do hope that you have to follow. You followed. Follow your dreams. Okay, we have to make as big as this. Alright, So this is for the front part of our bikini bottom. Okay, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. So now, yeah, I start counting off. Okay, so as big as this. Yeah, so in this part we have 2 chain 1 and then insert your hook and make a ano ba? Chain 1. Nakalimutan ko mag chain 1 eh. Chain 2 pala. So we have to make on the very first space. Hi. On the very first space, we have to make 1 double crochet. Okay, 1 double crochet. Ang OA ko talaga. I'm so OA. So, yeah. We have to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For 4 stitches, we have to make 1 double crochet in 4 stitches. So plus the chain 2, so we have 5 total of double crochet, and then chain 2, okay, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 5th space, we have to make another 1 double crochet. On the same space, another double crochet, so that is 2, another, okay, 3, and then chain 1, and then another 3 double crochet on the same space. Okay, ayan, alright. Okay, I do hope that you followed the tutorial, and then yeah, and then again chain 2 for the space. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the 5th stitch, we have to make another I think it's a shell, or I don't know what's the term of these stitches. So 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet on the same space. Okay, so that is how it looks like, and then we have to continue the process on, yeah, okay, continue the process until you reach not the end, but we have to stop at this part. Okay, we are now stopping. So we have to make double crochet on each remaining stitches. Okay. Okay. So I am so excited to make this, because yeah, that is just so excited. On the last stitch pala, you have to make 2 double crochet. Okay, and then chain 2 for the next round. Chain 2. On the very first chain, we have to make 2 double crochets, because as what I have said, we are now increasing for our stitches. Okay, but on the next stitches, we have to make only 1 double crochet. Okay, until you reach the last double crochet, and then chain 2. On the space, we have make 3 double crochets. 3 double crochets. Oh my god, my pamangkin are so noisy. And chain 1, and then another 3 double crochets, because I have lots of nephews here, so they are crying. I'm so sorry for the background. Okay, just repeat the process until you reach the very end, and then just continue to make an 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are 7 rounds. We have to make this for 7 rounds. 7 rounds. Okay, so, and then chain 1, and let's grab our pair of scissors and then cut our yarn. Ano ba nangyari sa akin? Parang na-hyper ako ngayon eh. Okay, so this will be the front part. Yeah, it looks so beautiful. So this is the partner or the pair of the bikini top that I made from my previous video. So okay, I will just leave the description, the link below for the tutorial of the bikini top. So in this part, we have to switch another color of yarn, and then insert on the very first hole that we see. Okay, insert your another color of yarn, and I find it so cute to partner pink with pink with red. So it seems so cute. I find it so cute, just like me. I am so cute, charot. Okay, so in this part we have to increase again on the very first 2 stitches. We have to make 2 double crochet on each 2 stitches, just like this. Okay, this is for the back part. And then on the next part, and the next stitches, until you reach the last one. So we have to make one double crochet in each stitch. So I secure the yarn tail so that it will not unravel. Okay, just like this. Just continue until you reach here, and then leave 2 spaces, and then for these spaces we have to make 2 double crochet in each space. Oh my. Alright, so ayan, ganon ang gawin natin. So another round, make 2 chains, and then half double crochet, 2 half double crochet on the first 2 spaces, half double crochet. Yeah, if I said double crochet a while ago, I am so sorry, but it is half double crochet. Okay, half double crochet for this part until you reach there. So this is the increasing part for the back part of our Okay, that is how it looks like. We have to make as big as this. Okay, so we come up with this part. I intentionally not to show you because this is only the repeating process. Okay, so when you reach 22 rounds for increasing on the back part, so 22, we have to count 22 rounds. Okay, so after making 22 rounds, we have to stop we have to stop increasing. So okay, alright, stop increasing when you reach 22 rounds. So on the 23rd rounds, only make half double crochet on each stitches. Alright, so for this part, we have to chain 60, or depending on how long your string is. So from the hook, again, count. Kailangan mo magbilang ng 3 stitches. Count 3 stitches from the hook, and then on the 3rd stitch, we have to make half double crochet, and then continue making half double crochet until you reach where we make our first chain. Alright, so this is our string, and then after that we have to slip stitch. Hyper talaga ako ngayon. Hyper acidity. Oh my. So on this part, after making a slip stitch, we have to make a single crochet on the loops, on every loop that we have seen, all the way through until you reach the end. Okay, this is single crochet on every hole that we see ang OA. Okay, another 60 chains. Ano ba nangyari sa akin? Okay, again the process is still the same. Make a slip stitch and then chain 1 and make another single crochet on each loop that you have seen. Kung merong loop na makikita, kailangan mong gumawa ng single crochet until you reach the edge. After reaching the hindi pa tayo nag-reach the end, so on the space 2 single crochet. So may isang space dito sa ating design. We have to make 2 single crochet and then continue making single crochet on each makate, each stitch, and then on this space, just continue making single crochet. This is very easy round of making this bikini bottom. I do hope that you enjoyed watching this and making this tutorial and following this tutorial. Okay. Alright, on the edge, I will meet you at the edge. How to meet to the edge? Humana di ay. I'm not showing you the entire making of the strings because this is just a repetition process. Repetition. So this is how it looks like. This is so cute. Cute. Okay. So we have to just clean this. Ayan. Cut the yarn and then pull it through so that it will not unravel. And we have to secure the remaining string using our yarn needle. Okay. So this is how it looks like. It is very cute. So for the bikini bottom, the partner of this bikini, the partner of this bikini bottom. So I will just show you. I will just leave the link on the description box below. So please don't forget to subscribe, kindly click the notification bell, and kindly leave a comment, and please give me a big thumbs up. So see you in my next video. Bye bye you.